Hearing the birds chirping in the morning, I Remind the World by William Camden.
Early bird catch the worm. Ever, who's the fucking bird woke me up? You! Not me. How come you disturb my sleep? You little chick. And my sister
Not me
said,
either.
The early bird is more tired.
Just wake up, motherfucker.
Sleepyhead.
just going to jogging. I came a garden. It's under construction. The garden is my favorite place in Queenstown. It is really beautiful for all the season. Especially the fall is the most beautiful for me. Queenstown Garden, welcome to. Do you like jogging? If you jog every morning, you can have strong stamina like me.
Oh, tired. Need a break.
There is a chair over there.
Hey, young man. Huh? My name is William Gilbert. A stone is missing on the wall. Can you find stone?
You mean here? Oh, so thirsty. I looked around but I couldn't find the stone. So I'm going to fill in the blank space with 3D pen. First, get rid of the dust.
Seeing that a lot of moss has grown,
It seems that the stone has been gone for a long time. Bring 3D pen and connect the filament. First, fix the filament to the corner. And drawing a line through the border of the missing rock. It's very windy. Oh, so cold. After finishing the border line, make a bridge with the filament. Vertical line as well.
while jing, I wonder who took this stone and why. I can't even guess.
Make horizontal lines too. I feel like someone is watching me.
My name is William Gilbert. I think many people want to know about him. He was an explorer and was the first to discover Queenstown.
And then fill the sides with 3mm and
Fire!
This filament is PLA, which is biodegradable and an eco-friendly resin that is used as a raw material by extracting starch from plants such as corn or sugarcane. It was too much information. TMI.
Hey, William Gilbert, no need to pay for this. Whenever you need me, tell me.
Thank you.